ASTS.
And my name is Roland. Okay, have a seat. Okay, so let's start from the data that I read. Pew Research Center 2025 says that around 90% of teenagers are using social media. That means what you post, what they post, are staying online forever or years. So what you post may be like photos, videos, comments. It shows people who are you really are.
That's true. A lot of courses out there are also uh, just time for social media also because they want to see the person in the online, check before they and your online photo also can decide if you get the job or not.
Yeah, that's true. Universities nowadays are also checking social medias. So whenever you are posting maybe like bad posts or inappropriate posts could lose you a scholarship. Many young people doesn't even realize and doesn't know how or understand to stay safe and having a privacy good in their online phase.
That's true. For examples, many teenagers out there are sharing their location, their school name, or their privacy on the online, and it is dangerous because if other people can take a screenshot of that and they can share it, even if the real post is delayed. And I heard a lot of teenagers out there saying that the school doesn't need to teach them about this technology because a lot of teenagers already know about the technology.
Yeah, that's true. Social media is a good place to having meet a new friends. But let's go back to topic. Should teenagers be taught? I mean that some people think that teenagers should be taught by their parents to manage their digital footprint because it is a personal. And schools nowadays are already very busy.
I understand, but look, online mistake is very dangerous for them because online mistake is stay forever like there in there, and it can destroy their future school or their future life or their work life. I think that
Okay, before we go to the conclusion, could I ask you, should teenagers be taught how to manage their digital footprint on your opinion? Yeah.
for my opinion is yes, they need to manage them about the technology or the schools also because they need to balance it. But in my conclusion is the answer is both. The teacher need to teach them about the rules and the parents need to teach them at home.
So from from our discussion, we could conclude that both sides have strong arguments. But what is the most important is that teenagers must know and understand the impact of what they post online. Whether it is taught by it is taught at schools, at home, guidance and awareness are very necessary. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. Anybody have a question?
So I want to ask you from your opinion, who can see or store someone's digital footprint?
It depends. Wait, what you mean is like
Who can see or store someone's digital footprint?
all our digital footprint, our followers. If,
Just
our followers and we also because if you
everyone could see your digital footprint, right? So, if, for my opinion, whether you post it by private or not, it always have a digital footprint. Maybe someone like Instagram, if you have a private and then someone follow you and you accept it, it is available to better see your digital footprint.
I want to ask you, what do you think about schools implementing a system of doing assignments and sending them to social media?
We does not really agree with that because nowadays you know that schools are already very busy, right? So what is the most important is parents that plays the most important roles to taught teenagers how to manage their digital footprint. So I mean that school doesn't need or doesn't really necessarily need to teach teenagers to manage it. Any more question?
So, did you know that online gaming activities also can constitute a digital footprint and why?
Can you repeat the question, please?
Did you know that online gaming activities also constitute a digital footprint?
Online gaming.
Yeah, and can you explain?
For my opinion, digital gaming is not really affecting your digital footprint because when you play, there is just a story. Maybe like example, you're playing Fortnite, you are not having a vision to, I mean like no chatting or giving a digital footprint because you just play, and whether you win or defeat, it's not really important for your digital footprint.
Example, your chat in Mobile Legend, you say bad words. From your opinion, it can be a digital footprint or not.
Oh yeah, it's depend on the enemy. They screenshot it or not.